We continue reading Ray Bradbury's Sound of Thunder, Part 11. "But if you come back this morning in time," said Eccles eagerly, "you must bump into us, our safari. How did it turn out? Was it successful? Did all of us get through alive?" Travis and Lesperance gave each other a look. "That'd be a paradox," said the latter. "Time doesn't permit that sort of mess." A man meeting himself. When such occasions threaten, time steps aside, like an airplane hitting an air pocket. "You felt the machine jump just before we stopped." "That was us, passing ourselves on the way back to the future. We saw nothing. There is no way of telling if this expedition was a success, if we got our monster, or whether all of us, meaning you, Mr. Eccles, got out alive." Eccles smiled palely. "Cut that," said Travis sharply. "Everyone on his feet." They were ready to leave the machine.